What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, The Hussle Family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into memes. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you got to do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, all right? So I got a lot of fake IGs, a lot of fake social media platforms out there. Before y'all send y'all money, please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you're seeing this face right here. You're sending your money to the right person, and you're getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything, so let's get this thing started. So, dropping some more gems. I'm finna drop some more gems, and right now I'm finna show y'all a place where you can literally go another bad credit lender that allow you to have bad credit, where they work with people with bad credit and allow you to have a second chance at getting the money that you need to succeed. Like I said, there's a lot of people out there that need money. There's a lot of people that have emergencies. There's a lot of people who want to start building back their credit, get it back on a good stance. And a lot of people think it's about just that number, that 850 or that 750 or that 650 or that 550 or that 500. That score matters, but it's a lot of other factors that play into part of you getting a loan, or you getting a house, or you getting a car, or you getting this, or you getting that credit card, or you getting that line of credit. And a lot of people don't understand that, and a lot of people don't know that. There's a lot of people that be like, man, I got this 750 or this 700 credit score, and I still can't get a loan, or I still can't get this, and I still can't get that. Why? What's going on, Hussle? And it all boils down to your debt. Do you have good debt, or do you have bad debt? Do you have $100,000 in good debt that you're paying off, or do you have $100,000 in bad debt that you're having delinquent, you're not making your payments, and you're just letting it run? Just let it run. So a lot of people got to understand, it's all about that debt. It's a little bit about that credit score. It's a lot of different factors that play in the part of you getting that loan that you want and what you need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to literally give you guys all the gems that you need to succeed. I'm going to give you all the steps that you need to help you get approved for these loans that I've been telling you about, because a lot of people need these second chance. A lot of people have fair to bad credit. It's the American way. A lot of people wasn't taught credit. A lot of people was just now starting to think about their credit. And there's some young people who watch my channel who are starting to think about their credit, because I know you wasn't taught that in school. So today I'm going to teach you how to get a $5,000 loan with bad credit. And I'm going to show you how to structure your credit profile, so when they go check these things, you'll be A-OK, good to go to get approved for the loan. All right, so pay attention, follow up, take notes, do what you got to do, because I'm going to help you get paid. So first thing you need to do, like I tell you in every other video, you need to worry about your credit profile. Before you watch these videos and you like, ooh, he said go here and apply for that loan. Oh, I got denied. This don't work. Stop. Go get your business together. So figure out what's your credit profile. Get your credit profile. See all the collections on your profile. See all the debt that you got on your profile. And see what you really got going on, right? So once you figure out that, you're going to say, okay, I need to get all this bad debt off my credit profile. I'm going to update my name. I'm going to update my numbers on my CP, my credit profile. I'm going to update my addresses on my credit profile. I'm going to update all the information on my credit profile. First, I'm going to delete all old addresses and things like that. Boom. Once I do that, then I'm going to go freeze my credit. So I'm going to go to TransUnion, Experian, Equifax, freeze, and I'm going to freeze all my credit profiles. Once I freeze all my credit profiles, then I'm going to go back and I'm going to dispute all the accounts on my credit profile. Like I said, any collection on your credit profile that's over 7 years old is deemed to be expired. So you got a better chance of getting that off your credit profile. So by you freezing your credit profile, it's locking it so no one can get in your profile, which means once they go to check to see the accuracy on that account, they cannot get in your profile, which means they have no choice but to delete it off of your credit profile. Boom. So once you start seeing drop-offs off your credit profile after about 2 weeks, then you got them hard inquiries increase on your credit profile. Now, when you see them inquiries on your credit profile, it literally shows you who's reporting it and their number. Why would they have their number at the bottom? For you to call and get them off your credit profile. So you're going to call them, you're going to tell them, hey, blah, blah, cool, boom, get it off your credit profile. Now you're cleaning up your credit, right? So now you're eliminating debt, which is good, and it could be bad because now you don't have any debt. Now it's showing that, okay, there's nothing on your credit. You really have nothing going on. So now you want to build good debt on your credit profile. And how you do that is by the installment loans. And like I told everybody before in every other video, make it make sense. If you're a hardworking citizen out there, if you're a hardworking American, if you're a grown man or a grown woman putting yourself in a position to win, you paying your own bills, you got car notes, you pay rent, you pay mortgage, you pay electricity bill, you pay gas bill, you pay your cell phone bill, you pay your Hulu, your Netflix, you pay any type of bill that's help you succeed and live in life, you deserve for your credit to be at a good standing. And by you doing that, you can literally add these accounts, these trade lines to your credit profile, which will give you a boost on your credit. So boom, like I told you before, you can go to Ava, you can go to Ecredible, you can go to Credit Strong, you can go to Yendu, you can go to a lot of different places that I gave you in different videos for you to start adding these bills to your credit profile, add them, turn them into trade lines. So every month that you pay these bills, it'll be reported to your credit profile. You got to think about all the bills that you really have in life. That's at least 100 points right there. That will be some points. You got to think credit scores go from 300 to 850. The majority of the people who watch my videos are having the 500s. The majority of the people in the world are in the 500s. If you in the 4s and 3s, you really ain't got nothing going on. But the majority of the people in the world are in the 500 credit scores. So everybody, majority who's watching these videos have a good chance of getting their credit profile together, adding those trade lines, getting at least $50,000, $60,000 in credit debt added onto your credit profile. Once you got $60,000 added to your credit profile, let it marinate for about a month or two so they can see you making them payments that's been taken out your account from just because it's trade line. So you really, it's an installment loan. Boom, they see that good payment history. Boom. Now you can go apply for the $5,000 or the $10,000 or $20,000 bad credit loan so you can get approved, all right? And once you do all those steps that I just told you, then you can go to Green Day Loan online where they deal with people with bad credit, they deal with people with no credit check, they deal with people who want a second chance, who need a second chance in getting their credit together and getting their life together, all right? So without further ado, we're going to look at Green Day Online where you can go if you got bad credit, no credit check, and get you up to $5,000 and for a personal loan same day, all right? Let's check them out. So greendayonline.com. Greendayonline.com is for bad credit loans, all right? So why use Green Day Online? Get emergency cash to help you quickly, no hard credit checks, get an approval decision fast. $100 to $5,000 can be used for any purposes, safe, secure, 100% online, all right? So quick cash online, money paid to you directly, quick approvals, money as soon as the same day, money in minutes, simple online profile, bad credit welcome. Our lenders accept bad credit, all right? So here's the process. How to get cash. Apply online, fill out the request form online, get approval, several brief questions that can get done in minutes, get your cash, receive your money into your bank as soon as today or the next business day, all right? So small business loans online, no credit checks, get $100 to $5,000 with Green Day Online. Every borrower does not have the impressive credit score. Quite a few of the bad credit scores because of their past financial history. Some borrowers have limited or no credit history at all. The problem with low credit scores is that traditional financial institutes and lenders generally do not lend to such borrowers with bad credit. Banks use credit bureaus to check your credit report, and then they may find out that you are unworthy by their standards. So who can you turn to when you are in urgent needs of cash, all right? Who can offer me an online loan with bad credit? See, this is really a bad credit. Like, you got bad credit, they're gonna like help you out, like a second chance, real bad credit. And I just gave you step by steps how to structure your credit profile so you can get approved for it. And you can apply for more than one at a time too. Like y'all be like, oh, you can only apply for one loan. Y'all do know you can apply for multiple loans at one time. It's just up to you to pay it back and things like that. So you can get multiple $5,000 bad credit loans and get 4 of them. That's $20,000. So boom. So when you need a quick money loan with bad credit, you may be wondering which legitimate lenders offers loans near me. There is no need to go and look for your location, as now everything has moved online. We strongly suggest you apply online for convenience instead of going to multiple stores, fronts, lenders. With Green Day Online, we are connected to many direct lenders who may be willing to give you a loan. For people in this situation, finding small loans online when you have bad credit may seem like, oh shit, these words little. So how can I apply for a payday loan online? And it just breaks it down right there. Which online payday loan is best? Online payday loans with the best rates are those who work for you. Can I get an instant payday same day advance? If you submit your online application before 11:30 a.m., you could be entitled to enjoy it and start spending the money late in the afternoon. You can apply for a loan payday, online payday, even with poor credit, and still receive fast cash loans as soon as the same day if approved. All right, so poor credit. I'm trying to tell y'all this is a site right here. Can I get an instant online approval? How much money can I get with Green Day Online? You can get up to $5,000. Direct lenders for bad credit personal loans. From short-term lenders are the specialty of ours. With our online loans, we can get you your loan approved as soon as the same day. Our network of lenders use it dealing with all types of FICO scores, from good to terrible credit. All right, so it just breaks that on down. So, and this is just some other information that you would need. How much does bad credit loan cost? It's just all breaking it down for you. So you got poor bad credit, check them out, $5,000. Go get your money. Go get your credit profile together and you'll get approved, right? Let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. Green Day Online, $5,000 bad, terrible, poor credit loans for people who need a second chance. And like I said, it's not like you can apply for just one loan. You can apply for multiple loans. So if you get you 4 $5,000 loans, that's $20,000, and they are bad credit loans, that's $20,000. The same way people are building their CPN credits and all that is the same way people are building their real credit and real credit profiles and things like that. All right, so take that into consideration. Anybody out there looking to build anything, take that into consideration. It's all education and entertainment purposes only. But people who build CPNs know how to build their credit because it's the same process. So people be like, no, it's the same process to build a CPN credit profile as to build your real credit profile, all right? For people who had that question. So Green Day Online, go tap in, go take those steps that I told you in the beginning of the video so you can get your credit profile together so you can get approved for these loans, get multiple loans, get $20,000, get your feet back on the ground, go invest, go make a profit, and be blessed, point blank, period, all right? So take those steps to consideration before you go apply for this loan. Please, 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 please. I guarantee you get approved. Shout out to all my Real King Hussle fans. Shout out to all my Real King Hussle supporters, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping sauce. Y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. All right, so I'm going to keep doing that. I'm going to keep y'all going. Giveaway coming up real soon. I think I'm going to wait till I get to 80,000 subscribers on YouTube and I do the giveaway, man. 5,000 more subscribers, I'm going to do the giveaway for the Air Force Ones, the Jordans, Dunks, and the limited gems. So tap in with that. Make sure y'all tap in and get y'all lessons. So when you're watching this video and you come to my inbox on IG asking me how much is my lessons and stuff, I'm not going to respond. So anybody's writing me on my IG inbox and I'm not responding, that's because you're not approaching me the right way. You're not talking about business, all right? So basic lessons is $500. Advanced lessons is $1,000. And the limited gems is $2,000, all right? Book me in person on the crypto tour. Get your unlimited gems in-person lesson, $4,000 out of state, $3,500 in-state. You come to me, in-state, $3,500. I come to you out of state, $4,500. $500 deposit. Once you drop your deposit, we're going to pick the date. The rest of the money will be meet in person, all right? Make sure I'm still looking for people for the production company, models, actors, rappers, musicians, cameraman, producers, content creators. All right, anybody out there looking to make $3,000 a day off YouTube? You want to learn the sauce? You want to learn the gems? $500 for those lessons right there. So you want to learn how to make passive income without showing your face on YouTube? $500. I'm gonna teach you the secret sauce. I'm gonna show you how to get rich. Let's get this money. Let's get paid. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see you at the next video. Peace.